Hi, family. Hope you guys are good. I just want to quickly show you how to use XM, especially for those of you who have never registered. So, of course, you need to choose your country. We're in South Africa, so by default, it's there. But anyway, if you're not in South Africa, you can check your country. If you're in the United Kingdom, but we are in South Africa, so I'm going to go back to South Africa. And then, of course, you're going to put your email, whatever email that you want to put in. You'll put that email. And then I agree to receive newsletters, company news, product updates. If you want news and newsletters and whatever promotions that they have, you can click. But if you don't want them, just go ahead and register. So you just click on register. All right, once you have registered, registering process, guys, is very easy. I have to warn you about a few things that you need to do in the registration process. Number one, you need to make sure that you have your ID copy in place because you need to verify your account. So you're going to have to verify. I'm going to show you when I log in onto mine. Number two, you need to make sure that you put the right information because you're going to get an email to verify, and you have to also have a server. That server is what you're going to use when you are logging in onto your Metatrade 4 or Metatrade 5. I'm going to show you my email where I got my server, and the of course the credentials. You need to know your email address and your password. You need to know your email address and your password. So it's very important. Anyway, I'm logging in onto mine. I'm not going to show you the whole registration process because I have registered already. So when I register, it tells me that you have an account. So I'm just going to log in and show you my account. There you go. So you are inside. You see, mine is registered. It is verified. So, but if you are not verified, you're going to come here in this drop down arrow and then scroll down and go to upload. Under upload, this is where you will upload your documents. You'll upload your ID here, copy and upload it, and then proof of residence. You'll just browse and select wherever it is. They tell you what is it that they take as the proof of residence. So upload that. I have already done mine, so I'm sorted, but you need to verify. That's the first thing that you need to do. After you have done that, so you're good to go now. By the way, please play around with the website. There's so many things that you can check here. You can download the app here, the XM app, and you can use it to trade, by the way. Yes, we talk about MT4, MT5, but trading XM or XM trading have their own platform or trading platform that you can use. You can deposit money. Let's look at what's in this platform, by the way. Here you can check your accounts, my wallet, internal transfers, change leverage. Let me quickly talk about the leverage. So this is the leverage. You can change it at any time. But what is a leverage? A leverage is if you want the broker to give you a certain amount of money. For instance, you are putting in 10,000. So you can change the leverage anytime, whenever you want. I would say that never go to 80, 88 or 888 or 1,000. It's quite a lot. I would play around, 200. 1 is to 200, 300 is to 200. I would play around there or less. Don't go beyond that. Why? Because leverage works like this. The higher the leverage, the higher the risks, but also the higher the rewards. For instance, if you take this one and then maybe you put 10,000 or maybe you put 100,000, you're gonna get a lot of money if you are gaining or you are making money, or you lose a lot of money. So it's a win or lose kind of a situation. I would request that, or I would suggest that at least you play around the 50, the 25, the 10. From 10 to 50, that's where I would probably play around, and I would advise you to also look around there. All right, so what are other things that are here? Okay, depositing history, you can deposit money, withdraw your money if you have made money. Pending withdrawals, if you have already requested to withdraw but you're still waiting for something. You know, all of those things are here. If you want to deposit, this is where you actually deposit. You use your ID number, your XM account ID number as your reference number, and then you deposit. You can use different payment methods, or you can research and education. This is where you find all the educational information about, trading, about the platform itself, live trading, people who are trading, people who are teaching, different tools, different information. You will find it under research and education. And then trading, it's up to you which instrument you want to trade. Some of you want to trade Forex, some of you want to trade currency, some of you want to trade commodities, some of you want to trade, stock. Up to you, whatever that you want to trade, you can choose the instrument that you want to trade. And then I want to focus on platforms because that's where we are actually going. So in the platforms, this is where you actually find the platforms. On your left-hand side, it's for your PC. And then on your right-hand side, it's for your mobile devices, your phone or your tablet. And then, of course, on the far left, it's the XM app, as I told you earlier on. I want to choose the PC one. I want to choose the Mac. So I'm going to use MT4. So when you click here, it's going to download MT4. This is the Metatrade 4 for Mac because I'm using a Mac. But you can also click if you are using a Windows. Let's go back and click Windows. Platform MT4 for PC. There you go. If you are using a PC, you just click here on PC and then you download. And then you follow the prompt of, installing. It's easy like that. If you are using a phone, it's also okay. You just click on your phone. If it's an iPhone, it's an iPhone. If it's an Android app, Android phone, you click on Android, and then you're good to go. If it's a tablet, it's fine. The question that I normally get is, which one is better? Should I use a phone or should I use a laptop? To be honest with you, a laptop is good because it has a bigger screen. It's easier for you to analyze, but it doesn't mean that you can't trade using your phone. You can make millions with your phone. I'm not promising that you would make millions. I'm saying you can if you are using your phone. It's not about the device. It's about you understanding trading, you understanding what you're doing. It's not about the device, really. I know the phone is a bit smaller, but it does the job as well. Guess what? Most of my tradings are on my phone anyway. So yeah, you can trade on your phone, but the advantage of the PC is that it's quite big. Anyway, you download whatever it is. I have already downloaded it. So we're gonna go straight to my account and then we look at the Metatrade 4. Let's go. All right, so this is Metatrade 4. I have downloaded mine. And I have installed it, of course. There is it. So when you just installed it, this is what you see. This is a default screen or default settings. There is so much that still needs to be done here. You need to change the color of the candles. You need to select, the pairs that you want to use. You still have to log into the platform using your broker. There's quite a lot that you need to do. So yeah, know exactly what you're doing. I'm gonna show you how to log in now.